The SB 277 kind of came about over the measles issue at Disneyland. And they say that we need herd immunity to protect everyone. And the interesting thing is that, herd immunity was a concept that came before vaccines. It was talked about as far as people getting the disease and then passing immunity on. So for instance, with measles, vaccines have destroyed herd immunity. We really had like a perfect system there. People would get measles at an age appropriate time. They say the first 2 years of life, it can be a little scary, but they would get it in an age appropriate time. And then the mothers passed down immunity to their children, which protected them for the first 2 years of life. How perfect is that? And so now with vaccinations, they have created immunocompromised children that are immunocompromised at the scariest time to get this disease. And their solution to this problem is everybody has to get vaccinated. This is insane. There is no product, ever that has required every single person on the planet to use it in order for it to work, and how convenient for them. I think it should be very obvious what's going on here, that this is really not about safety. It's about money. The fact that SB 277 came around when not one person died, a bunch of people got a rash and got over it, and I believe more than half of them were vaccinated. It's absolutely absurd. And not to mention, it's interesting, the Disneyland incident went on for 6 days. People don't realize this, and it wasn't just Disneyland, it was also Disney's California Adventure. And it's between the two parks, you're looking at 70,000 people in attendance every day for 6 days. And the amount of people that actually got the disease fall within under 1% of the amount of people exposed, which falls within the efficacy of the vaccination. So it's really, the whole thing is absolutely absurd and makes no sense whatsoever.